How to fix Outlook toolbar missing. Here are some steps you can take to fix the missing Outlook toolbar. 1. For Outlook email client users, check the View tab. The toolbar may be hidden. To check, click the View tab and make sure that the Show tabs and commands checkbox is checked. And if you're using the Outlook web app, select the simplified ribbon option under Format Text tab. 2. Reset the toolbar. If the toolbar is still missing, you can reset it to its default settings. To do this, click the View tab, click the Customize button, and then click Reset. Hint, launch the Reset All Customization sub-option at the bottom of Outlook options. 3. Repair or reinstall Outlook. If the toolbar is still missing, you can try repairing or reinstalling Outlook. To repair Outlook, open Control Panel, click Programs and Features, and then click Microsoft Office. Click Change, and then click Repair. To reinstall Outlook, uninstall it and then reinstall it from the Microsoft website. If you have tried all of the above and you are still having problems, you can contact Microsoft support for assistance. They will be able to help you troubleshoot the issue and find a solution.